second question. Reaction C4H8 reacts with O2, give CO2 plus H2O. So the question is the stoichiometric equation balanced? The second question, what is the stoichiometric coefficient of CO2? What is stoichiometric ratio of H2O to O2? And last one, how many pound moles of O2 react 400 pound moles of CO2? Okay, if we go to the first part of this question, is stoichiometric equation balanced? So we need to check the stoichiometric ratio for each component that is available in this reaction. Okay, how to check it? Okay, now we have C left hand side equals 4. Then we check with the right hand side, C right hand side equals 4 as well. Okay, then we have H left hand side equals 8, and then H right hand side equals 4 times 2, which give 8 as well. Now look at O. Okay, O left hand side we have 6 times 2 equals 12. Then O right hand side equals 4 times 2 plus with 4 times 1 equals 12. So we can say that this stoichiometric equation is balanced.